and savers. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's actually tomorrow. Super excited to spend time with my family for this Thanksgiving coming up. I just wanted to jump on and share with you guys 5 things I wish I would have known before I started couponing. And I wrote these things down. I was just kind of scrambling in my mind, like, what things did I learn off the jump whenever I started couponing? And it wasn't like the coupon policies and all these things. These are things you may not have even realized it. So I want to share that with you guys today. My name is Sandy and welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take time to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell to all. I would love to have you back next time. So I just want to go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I wrote down was it is okay to not get things for free or money makers. So many times the couponers think they always got to get everything for free. They've got to go in the store and their total's got to be $0 and 0 cents, or they have to have a money maker. And this is not true. I always tell people, even if you're just saving 50 cents, that's better than saving nothing. Because people say, oh, I click coupons sometimes, I'm not really good. I'm like, yes, you are. You're saving money, and saving money is what we're trying to do. We're not always trying to be, freebies and money makers, not getting the lowest out of pocket. I'm not like that. I am being practical for my family and what my family needs. So if I can go into the store and save money for my family, then that is good for me. Because the way I think about couponing is, if I'm able to save some money on my everyday necessities, my everyday groceries, then I can take that money and do fun things with my family. We can go out to a restaurant, or we can go to the movies, or something fun that we weren't going to be able to do before if we didn't save money. So just remember that when you are couponing, that 50-cent coupon is worth it. Clip it. It doesn't matter if it's just 50 cents. You're saving money. Do it anyways, because those 50 cents add up over time. All right? So let's just think about it. If you were to save 50 cents every single day that week, and there's 7 days in the week, right? That's $3.50 you've saved, right? So if I were to save $3.50 every week for 4 weeks, that would be $14. So you see where I'm going with that. $14 I've saved. And if I've saved $14 every single month for the next year, then I have saved, do my math over here in my head, then I have saved $164 off that 50 cents. So that's a really big deal. $164, that pays your insurance on your car payment. So just think of it that way, and always just save money. Don't worry about it being a freebie or a moneymaker. If your family needs it, then get it. Number 2, this is a good one because I had to learn this quick. Be nice to your cashier. Don't be ugly to your cashier. Don't go in there and be like, I have coupons, you better take my coupons. Don't do that. Be nice to your cashier. Always be nice to your cashier, because if you are like me, I live in a small area and there's only one Publix I go to, and they remember me. They remember that I'm nice to the cashier when I come in there. And if the coupon doesn't go through and it's not able to work, then I say, you know what? Let's just put that item back, or I'll try again the next time. I'm not going to pitch a fit about it. Now, of course, if I go into the store and they don't want to take any of my coupons, and I do know the policy of the store, of course I'm going to speak to a manager. But I'm always nice to my cashier. One thing that I've told people to do is always go to the cashier that's like the teenager, the young cashier, because they really don't care and they just kind of slide your coupons. They're not, scrutinizing your coupons, but always be nice to your cashier. I remember this is what happened last week. I was at Publix, and there was a lady. I didn't know she was new at Publix. I thought she's checked me out before, but she hasn't. And she's checking me out, and I've got, Publix, you've got all the Publix coupons, and then I've got my manufacturer coupons, of course, my digital coupons, and the manager comes over to help her. And I'm not thinking anything of it because I use my coupons appropriately. I don't use out-of-date coupons or coupons that I shouldn't use. They're all right, so I'm just chilling. And the manager says, I'm really, really glad that this couponer, me, came in today on your first day, because she is a good couponer and she always uses coupons correctly. And this is a good lesson for her. So it was a good lesson for the cashier, and I appreciated that. I didn't even know the manager even knew me or ever recognized me. I do go in there every Wednesday at 3 o'clock. That's my Wednesday thing at 3 o'clock. So it kind of made me feel good that they recognize me, and then, not even saying it directly to me, but saying it to the cashier. Because then the cashier, the manager did say to the cashier, there's some people that come in here and misuse coupons all the time. And I don't want to be that way. Okay, number 3. Okay, what days do the delivery trucks bring in the new items? All right, so when I started couponing, this was in 2009, and I think this was kind of like the height of like couponing. The couponing show had come out, and this was during the recession, so it was that 2008, 2009 recession time. And so people were kind of hit, really hit hard during that time. People lost jobs, their homes, whatever. And so people started living kind of like I did, living a little bit more frugal. And so my problem was I started couponing at a CVS. This was a CVS, the only CVS in the entire town. And when I would go into that CVS, it would always be wiped clean. And I would just get so upset because I'm like, oh my gosh, I worked so hard on getting my deals together, my sales, my coupons, and matching everything up and getting organized. And then I go into the only CVS that's within like 40, 50 minutes of another CVS, and it's always wiped clean. So, of course, I have a favorite cashier, and I start talking to her, and I'm like, yeah, you guys always have unstocked shelves. She goes, well, it's not that. She says, you're just coming in after everything's been gone. But she said, the truck comes in on Wednesday. And she says, the truck comes in on Wednesday by noon. We usually have it unstocked and everything by Wednesday after you get off work. So just come in Wednesday after you get off work. And I'm like, oh, wow, okay, I didn't think about that. Come in Wednesday, I don't have to deal with all this heartache. And literally every Wednesday I walk in, the shelves are fully stocked. I have everything I need. Super happy about that. Even when I would come back on a Thursday, if they weren't done unstocking, great. Everything was on the shelves. It's not going to be the same way at Walmart, but it may be that way at your CVS, your Walgreens, your Dollar General, those smaller stores, because those smaller stores don't have back inventory rooms. Like Walmart has huge back inventory rooms. Target has huge back inventory rooms. But those smaller stores don't. So if you ever get frustrated about your shelves being lax, then just find out what day the truck comes in and just coordinate your shopping trips around that. All right? All right, this is a big one. This is something I deal with every time that something goes on in my life. FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO is a huge problem with me. I am so scared I'm going to miss out on a great deal. So what's been going on in my life, guys? I know you haven't seen any of my videos in the past week. I have been really sick. Didn't have COVID or anything like that. I got checked, but I had like a sinusy crud type thing going on. So I've been at home. I've been quarantined. I didn't go out, didn't coupon, none of that. And I usually coupon every single day. And of course, I've had that fear of missing out. I'm missing out on all those great deals because right now is my favorite time to shop at CVS to get all those holiday kits and things to give to nieces and all that, cousins, those little cutesy makeup kits. Well, I haven't been able to get those in the past really 2 weeks because I've been so sick. But that fear of missing out is a big thing. And I'm scared I'm going to miss a deal. I'm scared I'm going to miss something that's really, really great, or all these coupons are going to expire. But I can't be that way. I'm going to miss out. I'm going to miss out on deals. Sales come back. If you have been a couponer as long as I have, I've been a couponer since 2009, so 12 years. The sales come back. They are like every 3 months, or seasonal, or every year. Some sales are once a month. They come back. So I've got to get that mindset of missing out. If I miss out on a deal, I miss out on a deal. It's not going to kill me. I have a stock room in my home full of things that I can use, and it's not going anywhere, and those things at the store, I'm just going to have to deal with it. So enjoy your time with your family. If you're sick, you're sick. Don't go out. Enjoy your holidays. We have Thanksgiving coming up tomorrow, and of course I will be getting my CVS Black Friday, but other than that, I am going to spend time with my family and not worry about missing out on deals. So don't worry about missing out. If you missed out, oh well. There's going to be another deal out there. There's going to be another clearance sale out there. Of course, you will get there. Okay, so I hear this a lot. Number 5. Number 5 is huge for me. Number 5 is huge for me. It is okay to get things you do not need. I hear couponers say that all the time. I'm not going to get that. I don't need it. I totally get it. I totally get you don't need things. I don't need half the stuff I have, but somebody does. Somebody in your life needs it. All right. So I have about 10 boxes of the denture adhesive stuff, and contact lens solution stuff. I don't have anybody in my life that has contacts, and I have like one person in my life that uses the denture stuff. And I give that person all the denture stuff. And if I find somebody who needs the contact stuff at work, I take it to work and I give it to them. Or, if you don't want to give it to them, you can sell it to them for $1 or $2, whatever you want to do. But somebody needs it. You can donate it. And that's probably one of the best gifts as couponers that we can give, is to give back. I think one thing that I have a ton of is the hand soap. They had the deal at CVS where all the hand soap was like 29 cents, but it's my favorite hand soap. It was that J.R. Watkins lemon hand soap, and I love that hand soap, but it's like $5 at Target, and they had it for 29 cents at Walmart. Well, I have like 200 bottles, but it's okay. The hand soap. All right, so let's just go over the 5 things that we talked about before we move on. So 5 things that I should have known before I started couponing. 1, it's okay to not get things for free or money makers. Savings are savings. Number 2, be nice to the cashier about coupons. You don't want to make enemies in the store. You always want to be sweet to your cashier. You never know if they're going to remember you the next time. Number 3, know what days the delivery trucks bring the new items to stores. CVS, Dollar General, Walgreens are small stores, and they do not have the inventory in the back like larger stores like Walmart and Target. So know what days they're bringing in new items. Number 4, fear of missing out. It is okay to be sick. It is okay to spend time with your family. It is not a big deal. Those sales will come back. Those clearance items will come back, and you are not missing out on anything. And number 5, it is okay to get things you do not need, because we have a heart of gold as couponers, and we are going to donate to people who do need it, or we'll sell it if we need to sell it. So, all right, guys, those are the 5 things that I should have known before I started couponing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you guys would like to add, or something that you would like to say that was something you should have known before you started couponing, please drop it down in the comment section below. I would love to hear what lessons you learned that you should have learned before you started couponing. All right, guys, God bless. I'll see you in the next video, and subscribe. Bye.